Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can recreate Bela I'm gonna butcher this name again, Dimitrescu's outfit from Resident Evil on Dress to Impress. So I'm just going to remove everything except for the ones I made adjustments on as usual. That's what I do. I did use some VIP stuff. But yeah, let's get started. It's going to look super weird, so let's just do this. So for the hair, I use this hair in this color. Wait, this color, sorry. I think position the X to 0.49, Y 0.46, Z 0.38, rotated the X to 0.53, Y 0.48, and scale it to 0.33. I made the hair like this so it doesn't come out of the cape. I use this cape in the second toggle in black. And then I used these sleeves here in black and these gloves in black as well. Oops, not this. There we go. Then I headed to the VIP section to use this dress here. And I basically colored everything black except for the fifth toggle or fourth. Okay, the fourth toggle, I made it a lighter black so you can kind of see the lace here. And then I colored the rest in black. Then for the necklace, I used the key necklace in these adjustments. Position the Y to 0.52, rotate the X to 0.53. Then I use this necklace just in black. I think I might do this one red actually in foil. I'm just going to make it a little bit darker. And then I also use this necklace in black and then in like this black and then a red. I'm just going to make it a little bit darker though. Oh, I also used this necklace out here. And then for the accessory, unfortunately, there isn't a lantern, so I just used this bird cage. I don't know how inaccurate this is to the game. I'm sorry, okay? Like, I'm not the most gamer person. I don't know. And then for the color of the bristle, I just colored it like this super dark mauve color. I don't know, 220015. And then for the leaves, I just colored it this gray. Just going to make it a little bit darker, and that's it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.